Don't forget to breathe, my king.
9,
Good.
10.
Let's keep an eye on him now.
I'm coming!
Oh, he's coming, he's coming!
I smelled beer. I, Lucas, perfidious among the perfidious, swear to make a stew out of your toes and eat it.
He's horrible!
Aha! The perfidious has laid his eyes on you. It's over.
You're too evil! Captain, Tuna was nice.
He was, yes.
I'd like to have a friend like him.
I know. But we'll settle down soon, and you'll make friends.
You're sure?
As soon as we know how you're doing.
That could be a long time.
Not this time. This time is different, I know it.
I hope so.
We'll have to climb this. You pull me up this time.
What?
Just kidding. I'll help you.
You're too heavy anyway.
How dare you?
One day I'll be able to. Whoa! That castle is huge!
What do you say? Do we attack it?
All right, I'm ready.
Now, charge!
Charge! The gate is closed, Captain. What do we do?
Let me see. Ha! It's locked up tight.
They saw us coming.
Let's sneak in.
Secret. Yes, it's a good plan.
Ooh, I feel evil around us.
It's a bit dark.
Come on, my king. They don't expect us to sneak in.
Yes.
Oh, I think the sorcerer's men are close.
Really?
Are you hurt?
No, but I want to go back now.
I agree. That's enough for today.
Yes, Amicia. There are food and clothes.
People live here.
We've broken their ceiling. Maybe they heard.
Let's just be careful for now.
You smell that? It smells like a fireplace.
What?
It's all burned.
It's recent. These baskets, they're beehives.
But why are they burned?
I don't know. Let's be discreet and get out.
Maybe it was an accident?
Where are the people?
Come back here!
We need an exit!
The door!
No! Come! Here!
You're going nowhere!
He's still behind us!
Keep an eye out for an exit!
This was one time too many. Don't think we'll let you go this time.
Through here! He won't pull!
Quick!
That's right. You bloody thieves. Trying to steal our armor.
Get down, quick!
I won't come back, I swear! Get him! Stop! Leave it to me! I beg you! No! Should have thought of that before you lot stole from us! Goodness, Matthias! That's how we make sure they don't come back.
I lost two, a boy and a girl. You didn't see them?
No, that man on the ground's the last we got.
Well, kill them if you find them.
We must get out of here.
Yes, quick!
They're crazy. Let's cross now.
They're going to kill us.
No, because they
What
won't
a
see us.
mess. Now what use do you have for our meat and honey, huh? You're dead.
Matthias, come. They got Grandad pretty bad.
Shit.
Amicia, the house.
No,
Well spotted.
Grandpa! Oh, it looks bad. Dad will be back from the market any time now.
We could hide here.
Yes.
They'd find us.
Watch
We
over
have to
him for
keep
now.
going.
It's a bloodbath. Lord.
Careful.
Don't stand there whining. There may still be some of them around. Go help the others.
I don't feel well, Matthias.
I don't give a damn!
It's...
You won't move.
whatever.
I'll handle it. That door box.
It's the last time they'll come here. I tell you.
You don't have to kill all of them, you lunatic. Just... Is someone still hiding?
Away! Let's be quick. We get back to the cart. We get away from this place.
Hallucinate.
Mummy will be so angry.
We just won't tell her. We'll leave as soon as we get to the cart anyway.
Where's that little shit now? You're supposed to stand guard. This is all on you!
We're going to have to climb up. Quietly.
Donna! Get your damned ass over here right now! I'm gonna beat the life out of you.
Oh no, this is where Donut lives.
Maybe he's still away.
I hope so.
Up there.
On my way.
Let's try through here.
At least they didn't damage these ones.